So this Aventador that is here right now, this is the Pirelli edition Aventador, and it has a full XPEL stealth wrap, and then the top half is protected with XPEL Ultimate Plus. Now we didn't do that installation, but the car is here because it was done in out of state somewhere in another shop, and there's a couple little minor things like some edges that are hanging over just a tad too much. Some of the patterns that XPEL has for this car has relief cuts in some areas. Makes it a lot easier to install and probably helps for longevity, but some of the panels are possible to do without relief cuts. It's just a little bit more of an advanced installation. So the rear quarter panels of this car, we're going to remove the film. Actually, we already have removed the film, but we're going to put new film on without relief cuts, and same with inside the vents right behind the front door. There's a real big vent there. And we're going to try to lay that piece with no relief cut as well. So that's what we're working on. You can see Aaron behind me prepping the car. Basically just consists of a good wash, clay bar if we need to, and that's it. We're ready to roll on it. We did this brake duct piece, which feeds into this big scoop here, and the pattern has a relief cut down on that valley, just for ease of install. Now on most colors you probably wouldn't even notice it, but on a flat black vehicle it does sort of stick out. It is a factory matte finish paint color with XPEL Stealth on top of it, so you can see that line pretty good. The other piece was the rear fenders or quarter panels. They have a huge relief cut on this body line in the back here. We went ahead and replaced that. We did a sort of a hybrid install where we modified the pattern a little bit so that we used the front half still a pattern, and that way we were able to align around the gas cap and a lot of the things up front, and then we just eliminated the pattern in the back, so we left us with a big square, and we were able to sort of stretch it around and do some custom stuff in the back. So that's it. That's what we did to this Aventador. We had a good time working on it. So at this point, the only thing left on this car is to ceramic coat the wheels. So we're going to pull the wheels off the car, clean the wheel, clean the barrel, and then we're going to coat the wheel and the barrel and the brake caliper on this. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content about what's going on at Blackout.